that pipe. Yeah, baby. And this thing right here, it's a reducer from 1 inch to 3/4 inch. But all it takes is to unscrew that reducer and put in a straight shot that doesn't reduce, get an inch long or inch diameter hose, and guess what you got? 3 times the water flow. 3 times the water flow, even potentially up almost to 4, but the hoses you can find for sale. 250 bucks though for a 100-foot inch diameter hose. Probably never seen or heard of that hardly, but some people are like, yeah, I'm watering my garden with a fireman's hose. So that's a beautiful setup. All it needs is one little thing changed and an inch long hose. Right now it's at 3/4 inch. So normal flow.